How do tennis tournament categories affect rankings? Have you ever wondered how the different categories of tennis tournaments impact player rankings? It's a fascinating topic that reveals how the sport is structured and how players are evaluated. Let's break it down. Tennis tournaments are categorized based on their prestige and difficulty, and this categorization directly affects the number of ranking points a player can earn. The ranking points are crucial because they determine a player's standing in the sport. At the top of the hierarchy are the Grand Slam tournaments. These events offer the highest number of ranking points, making them the most significant for players. Winning a Grand Slam can dramatically boost a player's position. Next, we have the ATP Masters 1000 for men and the WTA 1000 for women. These tournaments also provide substantial points, but not as many as Grand Slams. Players strive to perform well in these events to maximize their points. Following these are the ATP 500 and ATP 250 for men, and the WTA 500 and WTA 250 for women. These tournaments offer progressively fewer points. However, they still play a role in a player's overall ranking. Lower-tier events, such as Challenger or International Tennis Federation tournaments, provide even fewer points. Yet, if players excel in these events, they can still contribute to their ranking. For men's singles rankings, the system counts points for Grand Slam tournaments, a mandatory ATP Masters 1000 tournaments, and the best 7 results from other ATP events. If a player qualifies for the ATP finals, that counts as an additional event. For women's singles rankings, the system counts points for Grand Slam tournaments, the best 6 combined WTA 1000 events, and the next best 7 results from WTA tournaments. The WTA finals also count as an additional tournament if played. The points earned depend on how a player progresses in each tournament. For instance, winning a Grand Slam awards significantly more points than reaching the quarterfinals of an ATP 250 event. This ranking system operates on a rolling 52-week period. Points from tournaments drop off after 1 year, which encourages players to maintain consistent performance throughout the year. The points accumulated from these tournaments also determine player entry and seedings for future tournaments. This can influence matchups and draws, making it essential for players to perform well in higher category events. At the end of the season, a player's cumulative points from their best performances across these tournament categories will decide their final position. This ranking reflects their performance level and consistency throughout the season. Understanding how tournament categories affect rankings is key to analyzing player performance and career progression in tennis. It highlights the importance of competing in various events and striving for success at every level.